Hey, good morning, guys. Barry here. I'm out on the Pelican dock walking out towards the early bird where we're going out on a mahi sailfish hunt today. It's early. It's 6:30 in the morning here at Bud and Mary's Marina. There's a lot of activity going on. Lots of people getting ready to go fishing. These mahi have shown up here in late October. People are catching mahi. The early bird's been catching them all week. So we'll ride out with Ross Early and his crew on the early bird, and we'll go mahi and sailfishing. I'm gonna kick around the marina here and see if I can scurry up something to eat while we wait for the sun to come up. All right, we're getting ready to depart. I'm here with Dave and Jamar and Alan. They'll be handling the weapons, and of course, Cooper, first mate, will be keeping the cannons loaded. So are you guys excited about going offshore? These guys are from Orlando. Okay, you look like you're ready. We're gonna have a good day. Ready when you are, Captain.
Now I gotta wait for Pete.
We gotta wait for Pete. We'll wait for Pete. Yeah.
I got it, though.
What are you thinking, Ross, for the mahi and the sailfish this morning?
I hope it's gonna be a good day. We go catch some bait, see what happens.
Conditions are we've got a light breeze. I don't know what is that, southeast, Captain?
Due east.
Due east is the breeze. It's calm.
Yeah.
Got good light.
Beautiful day.
Warm conditions for a beautiful day of offshore action. See you this afternoon, Bud and Mary's. We'll be back about 2. This is a full day trip, and that's worth mentioning because you can get a lot more done on a full day trip. You're going to experience the tidal change, the rises and falls of moons and suns. Full day's your way to go. All right, we're about 3 miles offshore right now. Gonna go a little bit more. Gonna pull up, get the cast net out, catch some live bait. This guy's gonna work for a living today. So are you.
Yeah.
All right, Cooper's got us all anchored up here. We're out here at the secret spot. You can always tell the secret spot by all the boats sitting on it. And if you really can't find it, just find that 180-foot tall alligator lighthouse. Okay, so we're set up on the bait patch. Cooper's chumming up the live baits. And Ross is getting ready to cock that 14-foot cast net. It weighs about 20 pounds dry. We'll let these fish come in, then we'll see how we get doing our live baits. Cooper bombs the area with sand and chum. Toss. Let that sink in, so to speak. 14 feet of water.
This guys? Yeah, that's my buddy George.
How many tacos is that?
Yeah, I know George very well.
All right, we got some cigar minnows in our cast net. That's pretty economic considering that those things would cost you about 25 bucks a dozen if you wanted to go buy them. It's nice to have them fresh on the boat. We'll make another cast and then we'll head offshore. Cooper's using what we call a sabiki rig. It's a line with several very tiny little golden hooks on it. You don't even have to bait them. And these fish will bite on it. Just throw them in the screw. We've had some ballyhoo come up with these cigar minnows, and we're going to try to get some of those. We have a variety of live baits. All right. We got our baits. We're going hunting. Okay, we're offshore. I'm up on the helm with the captain. We're dropping the anchor.
Go ahead, drop it.
Captain Ross, what's the plan here?
We're on the, we're at about 85 feet off a lower Matacombe. We're gonna anchor down, do a little multi-purpose fishing. We're gonna try to chum the yellowtails off the bottom and get a good yellowtail bite going. That'll be mid-column, and on the bottom we'll try to pick off maybe a grouper or mutton snapper, maybe some barjacks. And then, so that's the bottom and the middle of the water column, and then on the top we're gonna fly a kite and dangle some live baits from the kite and try to pick off maybe a sailfish or a mackerel or a wahoo or tuna or something. And so it's a little general all-purpose fishing. Get some meat in the box, get some rods bent, good old charter fishing.
That sounds like good stuff. The early bird's the place to be this morning for this full frontal assault on the Atlantic fishery offshore of Islamorada, Florida, fishing out of Bud and Mary's Marina. Don't forget to click like and subscribe on your YouTube channel.
All right,
we got a giant ball of yellowtail up, and Jamar's got the first one on the deck.
all right, open that veil.
Hey,
Open.
my sunglasses up there? Oh, Jesus.
Gotcha.
Really good ball of fish.
12 inches. All right, I gotta just tie
Okay.
a hook on it real quick. Yeah, that's great.
Dave working the action there, right? Pete. Pete's on the business end of that big 10 reel.
It's all business. That's the right. One.
Fish on.
Got it. Going in the boat, boys. Coming in. Here you go, Barry. Here's your kite. Hold on to it right now.
Ross is setting up his kite. Put it off on a swivel. Then put it in the air.
Hold on to it right there. I'm gonna let
All kinds of fun on fishing on the early bird. Go fly a kite.
Nail open. Perfect. Two good waves.
Wow.
Woo! And the parrotfish is showing up now too. You can hear them. Oh yeah.
They eat crackers.
Just like that. Get it. Any waves? One more good wave? Alright, now. Oh, whoa. Don't reel it all the way. Alright. Open the bail up on it for me.
You are how you like
about like
yellowtail.
this distance.
Dave's on the
Right
board.
there for a second. Ow.
We'll just sit up here for a few minutes and fill up the cooler with those big, nice yellowtail. See if we can get some action on that kite.
There we go. Yeah, if you close that bail, you turn that handle, man.
Alan brings in a nice yellowtail. And the captain breaks off a Goliath grouper. He had a big bite on the bottom. That guy might come back up.
You down real quick.
What we're looking at here is Bermuda chub, parrotfish.
When they get it down in the throat, I just
And our
pull on it,
yellowtail are down there deep.
About if it doesn't, you know, it's better than jamming my finger down in there and trying to dig it out.
Cooper wraps the baited hooked bait, in a ball of chum, pitches it out, and Pete gets ready to pull the
Open
trigger.
that bail up for me, sir. Oh, man.
Bent rod action.
Show you how to do that, boys. Yeah. Oh.
Got action on the kite. Got Dave on the kite line. And we got a mackerel.
Zero mackerel. Oh, bad.
Quick on the trigger there, Dave. You got him on board. Good job. Aha. Nice one. Little dot and dash mackerel. Zero mackerel. He's got a head shaker.
Oh, you got a parrot.
Look at that.
True exotic right there. Oh, look at that.
These guys are going to come up. We're going to let them go.
Oh, perfect.
Back to Winston
Perfect catch
Kane.
and release. Whoa, buddy, hold on. Bring the rod right here, right here. Slow it down. When you start to see it coming up, you know.
I didn't see it coming up. That was the problem. It's on
I
right.
got it.
Got some action on the kite.
You already got a bite on the long
He
right.
stepped up to the big
Go around
gun.
and think about it.
Kind of a smallish on the mackerel side. Good work, Pete.
Those are the best eating of the mackerel.
Spanish got spots on them, right?
Yeah, Spanish got spots, kings no, and those got horizontal dashes. Nice and easy on that lift up.
Alan's got a big mackerel came down off the kite line.
You might have to come around, you guys.
Go over top. Or you go under. He goes over. You get out of the way.
Exactly.
Holy mackerel.
Nice one, huh?
If you guys on the boat, stick your rod tip way down and bring it out to the left. Get out of here.
Big king in the box. Kite's doing its thing today. Back on another hot bite with Jamar. Flying fish. Captain's on.
No, it's the bait.
Bait pulling pretty good. Gonna watch the shell just flash. Which is this chum ball at? Is that just a bag of chum over here to keep the slick going? Here they come.
We're trying to get some mahis.
I'm a game for anything, though. Whatever you want to do, Cap.
You guys gonna want a mahi hunt. All right,
I'm feeling
we're about 15
off.
miles offshore. We're about 15 miles offshore and 700 feet of water. We had a strike on the flat line. All right, we found the squeeze line. We found the mahi. We're about 20 miles offshore. We got it easy. Technical issues with our camera, but
All right.
we gotta keep it.
Do me a favor, line that up.
Got him on too.
Looks like we've got a mahi on the rigger.
You got feet all over your shit. Get shit done clean it off. Or hand it to somebody else while they wind it in and get another bait. Got him on that one too.
We're doubled up out here about 25 miles offshore.
Wind that in while you get another bait, please.
All right, we're down to one.
Let me know when you're ready. Look at me.
Good looking fish, Jamar.
Hey, look at me. I was going over here.
Coming in.
I just got in.
We're rolling up to some 5-foot seas here. Now we're back bit on again.
Water guys, Lamar, I'm gonna get you to walk under to the right, buddy. Don't come any closer, Lamar. Put that out there. Put it over the mail and gap Lamar's fish. More on this. Not you, Lamar. Gap Lamar's fish, please. Put that in the rod holder now and gap his fish before you.
Okay, here we're coming. Now we're cooking with fire on the early bird. Good shooting, Jamar.
Open the box.
Just riding, and then all of a sudden it's chaos.
We've got the close your bell wine, sir, with the hat on. You got one more fish on, right?
No, he came off.
I had one on, it came off.
We're in them. We're gonna get some more.
Somebody wind the flat line in, please.
There's one right here.
He's on.
All right.
Sorry, buddy, we took your fish.
Now to keep winding that flat line in, please, sir, fast as you can. Don't try to hook them.
Up on that. Let me see. Let me see this.
It's off on the spinner. Watch out. There's another bait, quick as you can.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Show us how it's done, Pete. Now we're cooking with fire.
Yeah.
Feeding you.
Reel them in. There you go.
All right, just got in. Ooh, yeah, that's what you do it there, buddy. Oh, yeah.
We're doubled up.
Come up.
2 mahi on behind the early bird.
Grab it. Grab it. Oh, right there.
Got him, Alan. Oh, one right behind him. There's a school. There's more fish. Coming in right on you.
Yeah.
Calm down, Barry.
All right. Come here. I'm back. Try to get one more hook. I'm going to put your fish in, Pete.
Straight back. Put that in the rod holder behind you and help him flip them in. Got the hatch ready.
All right.
By the rod.
Grab one more time. Grab it. Grab it.
You do it.
Straight up.
Boom.
Go. In the boat.
Pretty good. In the boat.
Above you. Had him on. Flip it right back there behind where you had it. Right there. Far. That'll work. Here he comes.
You got to give him
Get
one
ready,
line,
Dave.
man. Don't open the
You
bail.
can't bring it so close, man.
Break it out.
Give him some line, he's gonna break them off.
right, there he is.
Close the bell, wind, and then get the guys
Bring the
fish,
bird,
breaks
too.
them off. Hand
All
it
right,
off.
Jamar.
Hand it
Jamar's
off.
there. Stay tight.
Dab this
Tight.
fish.
Keep ripping.
Don't leave his head in the water, buddy. Leave his head in the water.
Leave it in the water.
Not bad. Jamar's got his all the way up to the boat already.
Open the bail rod.
Tight mahi action.
This is the buck.
All right. Go. I'm good.
You get the fish.
Bring yours in next.
Okay.
A little bit more. This is the rod. All right. Watch what I do. See that? Up and in.
How do you do that on the other two you lost?
We didn't know that trick yet. We'll be back with more fishing bait out. No takers.
Lock it up, lock it up, lock it up! Got him on!
Got him on.
All right, grab this.
That was a pretty bite, that was a pretty bite.
Here we go. Stay tight. Stay tight. Stay tight. Come down the ringer.
He gone. Back there jumping with my lure in his mouth.
Oh well.
All right.
Right here inside the boat. Right there, get him.
Too far.
All right, I just got him. What you gonna do?
Oh, my
We're
God.
gonna cast the line. The treble hook and catch that line. Get your treble hook with a little piece of meat on it. With a little piece of meat on it. Hey, you guys get that spit. Get the flat line out of the way. Wind that out of the way.
Yeah, bird.
Fish we lost is swimming around with a long leader in his mouth and we can see it. We're gonna try and run him back down. There he is. God dang it. There's our fish.
Get that downwind shot.
Wait.
Get back up. Had it.
I got it. Get back up.
You gotta catch the line.
He's
Coop.
under the boat.
Okay, well, hold on.
Cooper has retrieved the line that is parted.
Get the rods out of the way for him, please, guys.
Back.
Please get all the rods out of the way. We gotta have a gaff ready to hit Cooper so he can gaff
All
when
right,
he's ready.
you got the guy.
Pete's got a gaff. Hold it right there, Pete.
Get the gaff. Gaff, hook up, sir.
Yep. Thank you. Just hold on to it. Grab that rod. Grab that.
Grab that rod cam out of the way.
All right, here he comes. This is
Hold on.
hand lining a dolphin.
Yeah. Hold on. Hey, guys, watch out. Give me the gap.
Focus.
I got him!
In the boat.
Look at that. Woo! Jackpot. You're going nowhere. All right, I'm sorry.
Let me get it started. Call that thing up. I think that ain't a normal way to catch a fish, you know, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do out here in the wild of the ocean.
What do you got, Cooper?
Get in there, baby.
Coming home to daddy.
Going nowhere.
Routine stuff.
Oh my God. Just close it.
A little bird just landed. A little bird just landed on our outrigger. It was a little bird, 25 miles out at sea. Into the wind. Wow. There was a piece of debris floating just under the surface. Just threw a blind shot at it and came up blank. We got a little bird on our deck. Probably flying from Cuba. They're migrating. Take a break, buddy. You only got about 50 miles to go. Now, Pete, that was originally your big mahi. You gonna lay claim to that thing when we get to the dock?
No, I didn't land it. I didn't land it.
Well,
I had it on for a minute.
you got him up where we all could. What'd you think of that mahi bite, Alan?
That was nice, man. Beautiful.
These guys only early bird, they know what they're doing a little bit, don't they?
A little bit.
Okay, good stuff. What you got, Dave? Got an early bird. All right, we're fishing. We ain't got time to play with the birds. Cooper presents his bait. We're waiting for a response. Not only is Alan an expert fisherman, he's also a fantastic bird handler. All right, we're back out here on the 409 hump. We're doubled up on blackfin tuna. Blackfin in the boat. Come on, Alan.
Don't hold on to that line.
Here we go. Back dockside after a full day offshore on the early bird. We did get the mahi. We did get... Well, I'm back in the tackle shop. I'm here with Alex. We got wore out there. I ran out of battery when I was telling you our story, and that one big mahi, he broke the line, and we reached over with a gaff and got his broken line and pulled him on the boat. So if you want to fish the early bird or any of the boats here at Bud and Mary's Marina, come see Alex. Take him with you. He needs to get out of here a
I
little
do
bit.
need to get out a little more.
Don't
Take me with you.
don't forget to click like and subscribe. Don't forget the comments. Thanks for tuning in to the Bud and Mary's YouTube channel.
Thanks, guys. Listen to this guy. There's the man.